You got an inquiry, you felt aligned, you wrote back, you thought your reply was great, and then nothing. They ghosted you, and you didn't really know why. You are not bad at this. You are not missing talent or drive or knowledge. You are running a business from memory, and memory is not a system. That's exactly why I built WedPro Studio, and I want to be clear about what this is, because it's not another generic AI tool with a wedding skin on it. This has been built on 15 years of working with thousands of wedding suppliers, watching the same problems repeat year after year. I've taken everything I know, every framework, every fix, and I've built it inside. You tell it about your business once, your voice, your couples, your offers, your goals. And from that moment, every reply it helps you write, every piece of content it creates, your contracts, your privacy policy, all of it is built on your business, in your voice, for your couples. Today, it helps you with content, sales, replies, and contracts. But we're building in emails, blogs, pricing, and also somewhere you can go at the end of a long wedding season, tell it what happened, and it pulls out the stories that build real connections with the couples that you want to work with. Since we launched, I've watched photographers write inquiry replies that actually convert their couples. Planners generate a month full of content in minutes. Musicians finally get their contracts sorted. Not because they changed anything about their talent or their service, but because they finally had a system working with them, instead of making them work harder. Right now, we are in our founding member round. We've got 50 spots and the price is £49 a month. And founding members lock that in for life. When this round closes and we open more tools, the price goes up and it won't come back down again. The link is below. Come and claim your spot.